All right, guys. So we are going to start an opinion paper. Now, don't freak out. We're going to go step by step. An opinion paper can also be called a persuasive paper or argumentative. All three are okay. But we're going to write one. We've already got the topic. So we're going to go step by step. So don't worry about that. But today, what we're going to do for our opinion paper or argumentative paper, we're going to write the hook. So what I want to do is I want to show you some examples of hooks from stories we've already read, actually. Some great examples. And then what you're looking at right here are also fantastic examples of hooks. And I'll go through each one of these too. So if you remember the story, the debate, also that's another word we can use for this, that we're using here is how can you help when someone is being bullied? So that's going to be the topic we're using here. So I'm going to show you just the hooks today, and that's all we're going to focus on. And you are going to write one, and I'm going to grade it as soon as you turn it in, okay? All right, so let's go through the types of hooks. So if you look at this first hook, it says there are basically 5 types. There's a question, you can use a quote, a short experience, a surprising fact, or a vivid scene. Now, the question, sometimes that's a little bit too easy. I don't highly recommend the question one just because of what I said. It's a little bit too easy. But let's look at it. So you can start off, the whole point of a hook is to grab our attention. So you can start off with a question. For example, what would a school birthday party be without cupcakes? And then obviously this person is going to go into a debate over should we be able to bring cupcakes. You can start with a quotation. This is a powerful way to start a paper. If you find a great quote from somebody that you admire, like here, this is from Albert Einstein. Imagination is more important than knowledge. And then this person is going to go into whatever it is they're going to discuss or debate. You can give a short experience. And you can read these. I don't have to read all of them for you. You can give a surprising fact. Those can be a lot of fun as well. So whatever you're talking about, and in our case, we're talking about bullying, you could give a surprising fact about it to start us off, to grab our attention. Or you could do a vivid scene where you kind of set the stage for us. Okay, so look through these and decide, which one would you like to use? Now, I'm going to show you some examples. Now, if you look at this one right here, this is their hook. You've met girls like Mia, bossy girls who seem to have mysterious powers. Mia controls her friends like a wizard with an invisible wand. What she does, they do. When she decides someone is out, well, that's that. So that's their hook. That does grab your attention. And I would have to say that's probably more of a vivid scene. Now let's look at this one. This is the volcano story. And right here, here's their hook. Imagine you're at recess. Basketballs are bouncing, kickballs sail through the air. Kids are swinging from the jungle gym and trading Pokemon cards on the blacktop. And then suddenly, boom! That grabs your attention. That also is a vivid scene. Now let's look at this one. We're going to read this story also. Here's their hook. Jen Bricker hangs 30 feet above the ground, wrapped in red fabric, dangling from the ceiling. The audience gasps as she rolls out of the fabric, her long dark hair tumbling down behind her in a wave. This is a hook. This is also a vivid scene. But these are the stories from the magazine we've been using. Don't limit yourself to just the vivid scene. That's a fantastic way to do it, guys. But also take a look at these also, okay? So that is what you're doing today. I have attached a form beneath this video, and you are going to decide what type of hook you're going to use, and you're going to write one, and you're going to turn it in today. Look at those examples, all these examples. Look at the examples I just gave you in this video, and have fun writing it. Hooks are a lot of fun. So really grab our attention with your hook. Remember, go to the form beneath this and have fun.